Welcome to Phenom Literarians. In this video, let us see about functional English. Functional English is usage of English language required to perform a specific function like academic study or career progression. Functional English provides the essential knowledge, skills and understanding that will enable the user to operate confidently, effectively and independently in life and at work. Individuals who possess these skills will be able to participate and progress in education, training, and employment as well as develop and secure the broader range of aptitude, attitude, and behavior that will enable them to make a positive contribution to the communities in which they live and work. Examples of functional English. Functional English is that you need in different day-to-day situations. For example, greeting, introducing yourself, asking for or giving advice, explaining rules, apologizing, or agreeing and disagreeing. Any one of these functions can have a number of different exponents or fixed expressions. Functional English is very important. Functional English equips students with the necessary knowledge, skills, and understanding to use and apply English in everyday life. Gaining these skills will ensure students to get the most out of their future work and education. For some time, employers and universities have been calling for young people to leave education with the skills needed to operate confidently, effectively, and independently. It is more important than ever that young people of all academic abilities can manage the demands of the workplace and of further and higher education. Functional skills are the essential elements of English that help people to develop higher levels of practical skill which they can apply to real life contexts. Rather than being taught as separate curriculum subjects, functional skills are applied to the teaching and learning in embedded way. Purpose of functional skills. Functional skills qualification should provide reliable evidence of a student's achievements against demanding content that is relevant to the workplace. They need to provide assessment of students' underpinning knowledge as well as their ability to apply this in different contexts. They also need to provide a foundation for progression into employment or further technical education and develop skills for everyday life. In some contexts, functional skills qualifications will also play a part in the government's accountability systems. A key aim for functional skills English specifications is that they should enable students to develop confidence and fluency in and a positive attitude towards English. Students should be able to demonstrate their competence in English by using it in real-world situations as well as demonstrating a sound grasp of basic English knowledge and skills. Functional English in communication. People with good oral communication skills have more productive relationships with other people. They will be able to obtain the information they need from organizations and individuals they have to work with. They can explain things clearly and make a case for themselves. They can relate well to peers and colleagues, and they are more successful in their careers. They have reduced risk of experiencing conflict and aggression from others. Oral communication is one of the most highly valued skills by employers. Difference between functional English and English literature. A course in English literature is designed for academic study of English as well as language skills at the workplace. The main focus of functional English is on how English is used in real-life situations. Its curriculum is designed for perfection in reading, writing, listening and speaking. Functional is means for enough to serve a purpose. It's just an adequate. Becoming functional is neither acquiring knowledge nor being perfect. Its objectives is to become functional in English, and to choose appropriate communication methods. It is to suit the needs of the audience and the situation and to apply English skills in a variety of contexts and to become increasingly independent, competent and confident.